Who is that girl I see? Okay. Mom, it's for my YouTube channel. You're the star of the show. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am tired and lazy, and I just like to curl up with my blanket. And currently watching The Office. This video is going to be me trying random things that I've gotten. I think I got this teeth whitening kit because my teeth are starting to get a little yellow because probably all the coffee I drink and, you know, life. Then I also got these ear candles because I saw Claudia Sulewski do this on one of her YouTube videos and I was fascinated. It looks so relaxing. Look at the girl in the picture. I also got these Korean exfoliating scrubs that I saw on TikTok. We will see how those three things work out for me. So I'm gonna try those today. Make sure you go subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really truly means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. I love to see it. And you're watching Rachel's channel. Okay, so my sister refuses to hold this flaming candle in my ear, so I think I might ask my mom to do it. I'm a little scared at the idea of putting an open flame near my face and hair. Let's read this. Consult your physician prior to use. Well, that's not happening.
You have to stop burning.
Oh, look at her.
How does it make you calm when something's burning near your ear?
Okay, got a bowl, I got a lighter.
Accidentally. Hi there,
You need a
beautiful
princess.
Girl.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, I'm ready. I'm scared.
Hold the candle upward at an angle close to 45 degrees.
How do I create that?
Just pile some pillows up this way.
Okay.
I was kind of thinking the bowl should be the other direction to catch stuff.
Oh, you're so smart.
She was
What?
licking that.
She licked it?
Yes.
Ew,
Well,
Misty. I'm
you're
scared.
supposed
I
to.
can't do it.
Just
Do you want to do it? I'll put it in your
ear.
Oh, what if
It's-
it hurts?
It's not gonna
It's
hurt.
gonna hurt me.
Why would it hurt you?
Yeah.
You can do it. It'll all be good.
Okay.
Just place it in your ear.
Mom, what are you, a meditating app? Just don't get close. Just let me relax for a second. Just let me chill. Okay, go ahead and do it. Don't let my hair catch on fire. Oh my god, I hear it sizzling. Just relax, Rachel. Mom, can you talk to me?
Oh, I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was this girl who was not a princess. And anyway, she lived happily ever after.
Don't make me laugh.
Are you feeling calm?
No, my hands are sweaty. Feel them.
Well, why would I want to feel your hand if it's all sweaty? Yuck.
It sounds like a boiling pot of water. My hand is getting tired of holding this.
Take it out of your ear.
Is there still fire? Can you blow it out?
Yes.
Blow it out.
No, it said not to blow it out. See the smoke?
Oh my god! What the?
I'm trying to get away from the smoke. Oh my gosh.
It smelled like s'mores for a second. It's getting louder. It feels like the fire's going into my ear. I'm
Some
sweating.
smoke. Well, you do have a sweatshirt on.
Get away.
Misty.
Can we quit? This is the last time and then we're done, okay?
Okay. What about the other?
Nope, forget it.
Okay, so
Happy
you need a ladder,
birthday
you said?
to me.
Okay, I just can't leave Rachel alone. She can't be trusted with fire in her ear.
I know. She can't be trusted. Excuse you? I
You
want to
can
look
use
inside of it and see if you can see any earwax. Oh, you can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can look in it.
Oh, yuck! Oh my god!
Mom, that's the whole point of doing it.
Yeah.
Mom, that's what it does. Mom! I am now going to force my father to light the candle in my ear. I didn't know until afterwards that the flame was not shown. I need to have credibility. Peep the gorgeous paintings in the background. My mom is currently painting with her friends on Zoom, so she's too busy and too famous to help me this time around, so I'm gonna have my dad do it. He does not want me doing this on the couch because he doesn't want it to burn up, I guess. Whatever, Dad. Yeah, you're here. I'm ready.
I've always wondered whether that's the
Did you-
wax from the candle or the wax from your ear. I always thought it was really just the candle. The only way to know for sure is if you look in your ear, and I have an otoscope, you know,
Oh.
to see what's in there, and then do it, and then look again and see if it improved.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. This is turning into a science experiment.
Alright.
Science experiment. I feel like I should be singing in a choir.
This thing has to actually charge up for a little while.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait that long. Let's finish doing this ear
Okay.
completely. And then when it's charged, we'll check this ear. Then we'll compare it to this ear.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in my ear.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my god, you can really see it.
There it goes.
Woo! Is there anything you'd like to say to my fans?
Hopefully this really works. I don't know that it does.
Alright. Have you tried it before, right?
Yeah, I did it many years ago, and you know, for me, it wasn't so productive.
That flame is huge. It hurts my neck to hold it like this. Dad, what's happening? Mama's so much better at this.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Here.
Look at it! Ah.
Maybe we can just put it in
Mom
there.
was so much better at that. How did she do it? Smells like s'mores. Except it smelled like this. It smelled like this for like 5 hours yesterday. Should we cut it open?
Yeah.
Ew, that's the color
Ew.
of my earwax. Okay, my dad has the device. What is it called?
Okay, this
Show
is
the
an
people.
otoscope. Now we need to see how big your ear
It's
canals
small.
are, so we get the right size little thingy here.
I was telling Mom I have small ears because when I put any earbuds in my ears and I smile because I like the music, it hurts. Don't hurt me.
It'll be okay. Just don't flinch.
Wait, look in this ear first.
Yeah,
This-
no sudden movements, or you could.
Okay, no
Yeah,
sudden
hurt.
movements. Okay.
So see, a little light on there. Okay. Wow, you got a lot of wax in there, Rach. Okay, there's a lot of wax in there.
Great!
Let me look at this one.
Ow!
You got wax in both. You should go get your ears cleaned.
Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm at a different angle in my bathroom. We are in the bathtub right now. So I got these Korean exfoliating towels, as I mentioned earlier. As you will notice, I already opened this because I just couldn't wait. I'm sorry. So this is what it looks like when you first take it out. And it's a little mitt thing. And you scrub your skin. Want to know what happens after you put this in the water? It ends up looking like this. We went from this to this by putting it in the water. I thought you were supposed to get it wet to exfoliate, but maybe I'm wrong. So let's see what I'm supposed to do. Scrub only after a long soak, which softens the skin. Should I turn the water on? Maybe I should put my bathing suit on for this. Getting in the tub, rub-a-dub-dub. Okay, let's try exfoliating my leg then. Am I doing this right? Should I like add a scrub or something? It kind of hurts. Ouch. Is it supposed to feel like that? Ouchie, ouchie, ouch. I'm gonna maybe use some of my exfoliating kind of scrub because isn't your skin supposed to like roll off? I doubt my skin is that clean. Ow, my skin burns. Bro, what the fork? That's all, folks. Folks. What a strange word. How does my vent automatically know when to turn on? Oh my gosh, do you guys remember that movie called Smart House? Where the house like turned bad and like attacked them and whatnot? That was scary. I wonder. This was sitting in my drawer for maybe a couple months. It's Crest 3D white strips. So let's take a look at my teeth before. Let's compare it to this white. It's slightly yellowed, you know? It's not perfectly white, obviously. Let's open this up. Got some white strips. Wear for 1 hour? Okay, so I guess I'll come back in an hour because apparently I'm supposed to wear this strip on my teeth for an hour and then apply the light. But bam! That's what they look like. Here goes nothing, I guess. Wait, why is it? Did I like hold it over? I was expecting it to taste like something. Okay, lower side. I'll see you guys back at 7:37. Ew! That does not taste good. Okay, y'all, it is currently 7:36 because I couldn't wait another minute. That's how impatient I am. And take this bad boy, this light thing. So it'll automatically turn off 5 minutes. Go like this. Just put it in there. Do I put it in my mouth or do I just go like this? I probably shouldn't be talking. I'm such a talker, I can't stop talking. I literally cannot just chill for 5 minutes. Oh, it's water resistant. I could probably put this in my mouth. Am I supposed to put it in my mouth? Now from the top, make a drop that's aware. It's like posing for a picture. Jojo, pose, pose, pose. Jojo, pose, pose, pose. This kind of waiting game is not the kind of game for me. Remember in Victorious when they had that pear pad? It's shaped like a pear instead of an apple. Brilliant. Genius. Also really into... We're done. Let me pull these strips off. This is so gross. I'm so sorry. I guess I gotta do this like at least 2 more times to really see any results, apparently. I guess I'll let you know in the next video how that works out. Actually, I think they look maybe slightly whiter. Can you tell? Okay, so anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe. Again, it means a lot. And have a great week, everyone. Stay safe, do good things, be kind, have courage, and be kind. I think that's the quote from Cinderella. I recently watched Cinderella. Anyway, goodbye, everybody.